How to install Jetfly foot strap. Let's prepare the parts. 1 set of foot strap, 4 gaskets, 4 screws, and a screwdriver. According to your habit to place your foot straps. Now the left foot strap is in front, the right foot strap is in the back. If your right foot is in front, they can be changed like this. The foot straps can also be adjusted with appropriate angle. The hole of the other side should also be aligned. Here we go. Take the screws and the gaskets. Insert a screw into a gasket. Place them into the hole. Use the tool. It is same on the right foot strap.